I'm trying to press play. Go.
Well, this will be my 4th time doing the cinnamon challenge, so
Wish her luck.
Paige.
It's the water. It's the cinnamon. Go.
Hold the water.
Yeah, I can hold the
No,
water.
I need the.
No, I'm gonna pass it to you when you need it. Come on. Ready?
Nice.
Get ready.
Nice.
Get set.
Nice.
Go.
Just come this way. No, I need the water in my hand.
Open your mouth. Let me see. Aww.
Oh.
She completely failed. Next. Hey, I guess it's my turn now.
Wait, how many times?
This will be my 4th time. I'm kind of scared and I know I'm not gonna be able to, but I'm gonna try anyway. Yeah, drink some water. Gotta get my throat all watery.
Wait, no, do you need to hold it or?
No, I'll tell you when you need to pass it to me.
Alright. Go, Paige.
Tell me when to
Go, Paige. Ready, set, go. Let me see your mouth. Let me see your mouth. Let me see your cup. Right. Now, this was London and Paige.
Oh.